How to fix can't receive text messages in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart again. Click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, check network. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on connection. Click on mobile network. Click on network mode. Click on 5G preferred. Now go back. Click on data usage. Click on mobile data. Now go back. After that, clear messages app cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, click on messages, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. After that, reset network setting. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix can't receive text messages in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.